I got Kakooma. So this one is a homeschool game that I like to use. It's very small and compact, so I like to actually put this in with all of my math supplies. Now there's different versions. This one is the plus one. So these are all about sums, practicing mental math, man, teaching my homeschool girl math has a really, I just remember like, oh my gosh, I forgot a lot. So I'm brushing up on my skills. You know, they say if you teach, you're learning mostly. So these are all the cards. They are laminated, so they're pretty thick. They have one side and they have the other, and you're going to use your sum. So you're going to add to it. So you're going to pick two numbers that are going to equal to one of the numbers there. So it could be fast paced, or it could just take it as slow as you can. You can compete. My daughter is frustrated with math, so I want to make it just kind of cozy. So I make this a cozy game. So we as she gets more confidence in it, I can definitely add more of a competition to it. But I'm just doing it cozy, taking our time. And like, yeah, it's kind of more of like a flashcard. So this is really fun. But you can definitely add, make it a little bit more crazier, or have her ring the bell or scream to get more excited about doing like a competition. So that's this little box, Kakomi. I'm going to show you another little box that I have. And this one is, we got 1, 2, 3. I got these because we need to work on our math. My daughter's great with reading, but we really want to work on just mental math. So we have here, I have our multiplications, our times. So I'm going to open it up. And just like the other one, it will play. Let me open this up. It's going to play the same way, except you are going to be using your multiplication skills, your time skills, and this is how it looks like, the green. So you're not going to get mixed up. You know what you can do is they're the same length, except for the espresso. They're the same width. You can probably, and I just thought about this, mix and match them to kind of use all your skills. Definitely great for, I want to say, second, third grade to do that. And then this one I have is, this one I haven't tried, but this is Newtonica. So the Kakooma one is good. The times and addition, you could do Kakooma because those are mixed. I think you can mix those because it's the same one. But Newtonica Senior is different. So you may, this one's going to be a little bit interesting because you have different cards. You're going to be working with money. So second grade, right? Second grade, third grade. You're going to be working with your measurement, not your measurements, your fractions. I guess measurements, right? And then you are working with your distances. So like 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet. I guess pounds, pint, yards, milligram, the distances, which this is actually great for geometry, if not geometry, geography. If you want to add that into your geography curriculum, this would be wonderful for. So this is the blue for measurements. Oh, it tells you the pink is for fractions. And then you have your money. So you can mix and match them. These are very handy. I like the kawaii-ness, kawaii meaning very cute, of the little cards. So my daughter feels she loves anything cute. So it's kind of motivating her and luring her to like, come on, let's do this. Let's play something cute. And we can totally add cuteness to it. So I like that. This one is great. So this one could be, yeah, like I said, third grade. And then we have the little one is a little smaller, espresso. It comes with the die, which I like to use for practicing our die numbers quickly, especially since our family, we play a lot of dice games. So we're always checking in and it's really quick. So let me get this real quick for you. Sorry, it was slipping around my hand, so I just had to say, hold on 1 second. So you have these cards that have these random numbers, okay? And you're encouraged to use 2, 3, or all of them, depending on how much you want to do. Once you roll the die, say you got a 4, you're going to use these numbers, whether to add, subtract, or you're going to like, I'm going to add this one, and then I'm going to subtract that number, and then I'm going to divide or times to get the 4. So this one definitely is a little bit more advanced. Heck, man, even for me. But it's brushing up on my skills as a parent, right? But that's kind of cool. So that's why these cards are a little bit smaller, and I wouldn't put that. That's just a totally different game. If you are someone who homeschools or you just like to practice this with your kids, um, just to kind of tutor them in something that they need to work on, this is great. Homeschoolers, great for morning basket. Let's just practice 10, 15 minutes working on this, or the afternoon, wherever you had time for. I have to homeschool at night because in the morning time, I have some work that I do. But these are all great. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 different games from this company. Hold on. 4 different games that you can play and add to your morning basket.